Audio CD 1, Track 37, Unit 2, Getting a Table. Nick and Lisa enter the restaurant and are greeted by the hostess. Nick is worried because the restaurant is expensive.
Hello, welcome to Ranch Steakhouse.
We'd like a table for two, please.
All right, would you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please. And we'd like a table by the window if possible.
Okay, let me see. Yes, we do have a table available right now. Follow me, please.
Really? We can get a table? Normally, you need a reservation to get a table here.
We're really lucky. Yeah, this restaurant looks really busy.
Here is your table. And here are your menus.
Thank you. Wow, our table is so beautiful. This restaurant is really nice.
Yeah, maybe it's too nice. There aren't any prices on the menus.